Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will continue where we left off in the previous part, and we are on the notification service. We'll carry on from where we left it in the previous part. Thank you. There's more work to be done here, I think, but let's take a look at the email template. When we send the user the email template, we are creating a template here. It's an enum, and each of the notification types has their own what do you call it, message, right? Email template. So we've got payment confirmation HTML and success payment successfully process, order confirmation, bid confirmation, and these template email, we'll take a look at it in a minute. And this is how basically you create this service, and it's using @getter, and that's all you need is an enum as well. So that's what you need. But then we have to create in the resources method of our notification service, we have templates for each of these types. So we got 3 types of, right, we've spoken about. So we got a method, a folder that says templates, and then each of the confirmation email. Okay, so this is the confirmation for, you have to copy this from somewhere. I think you can go to ChatGPT and tell it what you want it to do, and then it will copy it for you. We did see how the email confirmation looks like, and this is what it is. So my suggestion is to go to this is the bid winner. So you say thank you for placing a bid. If you go to ChatGPT and tell it what you want, it will give you a quick one, and then you can customize it and make it look like your own when you want. Give you the product info, the bid ID, product ID, bid thingy. So when we get this bid running, we will see all these. The order confirmation HTML also looks similar to what we have, so you can get this information from some sort of AI. Just tell them and it will give it to you. Okay, and the payment confirmation HTML is also similar to that one, except that it's looking into payment and all that stuff. Okay, okay, so that is what we need from the service. If we go back to, that is the payment. Okay, that I did say that notification is a long one. We are going to, we've taken a look at order. The rest of payment, the rest of it is similar, but we take a look at it as well. We are still in notification service, and we are now going to take a look at order. So in the order, we have a user, but we are not going to use this. Okay, we are not going to use this. If we are using it, I will find a way not to use it, because we can get the information from the gateway. We have a record for products because we need a user and a product. Okay, so if we go into order confirmation, we want a user, a list of products, and the payment method, big decimal, total, and that, right? And order reference. Okay, in the notification consumer, we have order topic, and the order topic then is using, it needs an order confirmation, and the order confirmation is this one, right? Which is all this. This is why I'm saying I've got to sort this out, because I will update this method. I'm not gonna touch it now, but I will update any of the method in the near future, which I will do a video where there is a requirement for the user details, that we drag the user details down. Okay, we won't have it in the request, we will have it well, we'll have it in the request, but we will drag it down as or whenever we are calling this method, we'll pass that user details there. This way we are dragging it down. And then, although in the confirmation class there's a requirement for it, we won't be using this. We will drag on all those details. So we need email address, surname, first name, and user. We will drag all that down. The username, we will drag all that down. But for now, this is what I got from the tutorial, and I will do it as I want as we go along. Okay, the type is order confirmation. This is part of the type which we took a look. Order confirmation. Then we are passing on the date, the order confirmation, and we are building it. Oh, this is how we save this notification to the notification repository using the notification repository. And then we are getting the username, and then in the email service.send order confirmation. Email service.send order confirmation is this, and then this is the details that it needs, and it's similar to what we've already gone through, so I'm not gonna drag it, but I'm just going to scroll down and make sure you can see everything. You can screenshot it and then copy it. So we are passing on the username, the total, order reference, and product details, products, right? And then we just the same as the top there, and then if there's a problem, we are sending the message there. So do take a look at this properly, and it's the same template. We have different templates, remember, and the templates have already gone over, which is stored here. Okay, let's go back to order topic. Remember, I'm saying that, remember I said that the order, whenever there's a reference, Kafka is listening to this order topic reference. And let's take a look at the order. If we take a look at, we go into order service, we just want a link to this topic, okay, because that's what Kafka will be listening. Remember, this is a consumer, okay, so we need the producer within the order service. Go into the order service, and where we say Kafka, and ignore this one, ignore this, but we have an order confirmation and a producer. The order confirmation is just a record, okay, where we are passing all the details to it. This is the buyer, is the user username basically, and this is the products, the method, the total amount, and the reference is exactly the same order around to the confirmation, right, to the notification, right? Okay, and then the order, this is the email we are sending to the Kafka thing, and then it's a service, require argument constructor, and when we send the email, we are sending this order confirmation details. When we send it, we are sending it as it's just the same way that we did with the payment. So this is what is required, the message as so. Remember, this is what I'm looking for. The topic, Kafka topic, will be looking for this reference, which is the same as as what we've got here, order topic. the same thing like the payment. Okay, we are just concatenating the user. We taking a user full name. So the user full name is not the same as username, but is the user full name is the first name and last name together, and we are passing it on to it, and then we are passing the rest of the stuff, including the products and all that, the user email address and all that stuff to it. We are logging an error or failure if there is a problem, so we can debug it. Okay, unfortunately I have to end the video here. We will pick it up again in the next video. See you then.